Hanap ng liwanag. Papasukin na natin ang sinag ng katotohanan sa sikreto at diliman sa gobyerno. Let's pass this FOI now. Let's do it. Can you imagine? When we started this, I was a congressman. Now I'm not a congressman anymore, and still, it's not yet law. Can you imagine that it has to take the Senate Blue Ribbon to bring out all the irregularities and corruptions in government agencies like the PCSO and other agencies? Why is there a need for the Senate to do this? Why can't the citizens be empowered to be the ones to get the information, to know what is happening? You know, my friends, tomorrow sa DBM, merong programa sila, pupunta ako, maganda yung programa, they have a program on their achievements on transparency and accountability in the budget. I will tell them that I salute what they are doing and they should continue their reforms, especially for transparency. But I will tell them that all these reforms that you are doing in DBM will be rendered empty if you do not have, if this country does not have the cornerstone law, which is the freedom of information. My friends, coming sa Senado, on behalf of my chairman, Senator Greg Honasan, who has another appointment and has tasked me to engage and announce that right after the session start, we will start committee hearings, and we plan to terminate the committee hearings either by the end of August or mid-September, so that by mid-September we bring it to plenary in the Senate so that we can forthwith pass this FOI bill into law. So let's all work together. We started this now, long time ago. Let's not lose hope, because the light is there at the end of the tunnel. The best disinfectant, as Justice Brandeis said, the best disinfectant is sunlight. So my friends, let the sunshine in. Thank you.